In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record prepaid expenses in QuickBooks Online. This process is crucial for managing your expenses efficiently and ensuring that your financial records are accurate. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate your way to the Transactions section, which you'll find located on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once there, go to the Bank Transactions tab. This area is where you manage all your bank-related transactions and can help you keep track of what's coming in and going out of your accounts. Now, look through the list of transactions to find the specific payment that you need to record as a prepaid expense. It's important to carefully review your transactions to ensure you're categorizing the right one. Clicking on the correct payment will allow you to take the next steps necessary for categorization. Once you've clicked on the payment, it's time to categorize it. Click on the Categorize option. Categorization is vital as it helps you stay on top of your bookkeeping and ensures that your financial statements are clear and precise. Bookkeeping is all about precision, ensuring that each transaction is accurately recorded. As you categorize the expense, you'll see options for changing the account type. Now is the time to change this account type to prepaid expense. This classification is essential for any payment made in advance for goods or services, which have not yet been received or used. It allows you to recognize the expense in the correct accounting period. After setting the account type to prepaid expense, you'll simply click Add. This action will save the transaction under the prepaid expenses category. It's as straightforward as that, but don't underestimate the importance of each step. Adding the transaction correctly ensures that your books reflect the true nature of your company's financial situation. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a prepaid expense in QuickBooks Online. Remember that maintaining accurate records of prepaid expenses can significantly influence your business's financial health. It smooths out expenses over time and avoids large variances in monthly profits and losses. While this process might seem simple, the impact it has on your bookkeeping is substantial, supporting efficient financial planning and management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide on recording prepaid expenses in QuickBooks Online helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos on managing your business finances effectively.